Hi everyone, welcome back to DIY Geardo. Today we will show you how to replace the main flex, display flex and antenna flex cable on the Samsung Galaxy S23 5G mobile phone. Please check the description for the repair tools, protective gear and compatible parts. First, turn off the phone, remove the SIM tray and begin the back cover removal process. To remove the back cover, gently heat the edges to soften the adhesive. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option. Leave it till the process completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer to warm the edges. Be careful not to overheat, as this can damage internal components or the back cover. Next, use a suction cup to create a small gap along the edge of the back cover. The ideal place to use the suction cup is at the bottom of the cover. Gently lift the cover using a suction cup and carefully insert a plastic car pry tool into the gap and slide it around the edges to cut the adhesive. This process will take time and be gentle with the internal components. Always use the tip of the tool to free the adhesive. Once the adhesive is free, gently lift and remove the back cover from the body. Next, disconnect the wireless charging pad connector and then remove the 6 screws securing the wireless charging pad. Gently lift the pad from the frame. Please note that the bottom of the pad is attached with adhesive, so carefully pry it loose to avoid damage. Next, disconnect the battery plug from the logic board. First, undo 7 screws and remove the speaker cover from the body. For this repair, identify the faulty flex cable and replace it with a new one. First, disconnect the faulty display flex cable from both the logic board and the display screen. Next, install the new display flex cable and securely connect it from both ends. Next, disconnect the main flex cable from both the logic board and the charging port board. And then replace it with the new flex cable and securely connect from both ends. Finally, disconnect the signal antenna cable from both ends. and then install the new antenna cable and securely connect from both ends. Next, place the speaker cover and secure it by adding 7 screws. Next, connect the battery plug. Next, place the wireless charging pad into the frame. Connect the connector and secure it by adding 6 screws. Next, power on the device for testing. Ensure everything is working properly before installing the back cover. Before reinstalling the rear cover, replace the adhesive. Apply new pre-cut back cover adhesive or use B7000 glue. Finally, place the rear cover back onto the device and press it down gently. For a better seal, use back cover bonding clips to hold it in place while the adhesive dries. After some time, you can remove the clips. Hope you have enjoyed the repair guide. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Please like, share, and subscribe for more repair guides.